In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom download button in Framer. This will be a deep dive into creating a seamless user experience on your Framer project, all without writing a single line of code. Let's jump right into it. To start, make your way over to Framer's website. It's a fantastic platform for creating professional websites that's loved by designers worldwide. With Framer, you can build with ease and instantly bring your design visions to life. Once you're there, click on the Login button if you haven't logged in already. This step is essential because being logged into your Framer account gives you access to all your projects and tools necessary for today's task. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the Framer home. This is your control center, where you can manage your ongoing projects, start new ones, and access a variety of resources. Our goal today is centered around enhancing one of your existing projects by adding a custom download button. Let's begin by selecting a project to work on. Click on any project you desire to modify. You'll likely recognize them by the thumbnails and titles displayed in your project list. Once inside your chosen project, the real creative process begins. Look at the top of your interface, and you'll notice an Insert button. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Framer showcases its strength as a no-code tool. By clicking Insert, you're stepping into a library filled with ready-to-use components ranging from basic shapes to complex data features, all designed to enrich your project. Next, you'll need to scroll to the Utility section within this library. The Utility section serves as a toolbox tailored for enhancing functionality, incorporating various handy components to empower your website. In this section, keep an eye out for the Download component. Clicking on it will insert a default download button into your project. Now, while this button is functional right out of the box, Framer also allows you to customize it further, ensuring it aligns perfectly with your project's theme. From tweaking the button's color to adjusting its size, you have full creative control to make it uniquely yours. And there you have it. You've successfully added a custom download button to your Framer project. Remember, with Framer's intuitive design environment, you can effortlessly make adjustments, ensuring every element on your project aligns with your overall vision and enhances user interaction. This button not only serves a practical function, but also integrates seamlessly with the aesthetic of your site. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to explore more of Framer's rich features to continue elevating your web projects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.